Hello friends, this is Nisha. Welcome back to my channel Single Solution to All Problem. And today's topic is regarding the QMath earning. I got a comment in one of my video that what is the percentage of people who is earning 20k plus per month after completion of their certificates. So I have answered this comment in the comment box also, but I want to elaborate that means how many percentage of people is actually earning 20k plus and how much you can earn. So I just want to elaborate, so I thought I should make a full video on this topic. When you start your training, means first you need to pay the 10,000 and then you complete your training, and after that you got the assessment and all that, and means finally you got your certifications. After that, how your journey will start. So as you complete your certifications, so now you have your certificate, and now you become a certified QMath teacher, and so now you can approach the student that I am a certified QMath teacher. Because what is QMath? QMath is just like a tuition center. You start at your home, you start teaching the student at your home. So what you will do when you want to teach student at your home, you will approach the students. Of course you will approach the students, you will advertise yourself that I am a math teacher, I am a coding teacher, I want to teach, I can teach. Of course, means if you want to start a tuition center at your home, so what you will do, you will start approaching the students and you start advertising yourself that I can teach math and I'm teaching with this platform and I'm certified for that. And the difference between the home tuition center and between teaching students through the QMath is only one difference, that when you are teaching students on your own, means at your home, just like a home tuition you are providing, so your approach is limited to only your neighbors and your relatives, and only those relatives which are staying nearby your home. So means your approach is very limited, you are getting very limited students. But when you start teaching with the QMath, your approach become global. You can teach students by your nearby area, your relatives, your friends, no restrictions. You can teach your students. Those students are your leads, means those are your. QMath is not taking those students from you. Those students are yours only. But it is providing you students from other areas also, means from means from all over the India, and even if you are certified internationally, because they will certify you differently. If your speaking skills are very nice, means you can communicate means your English is very good, so they will certify you as an international teacher. Means if you are internationally certified, you will get students from all those countries whom QMath is working. And if you are not internationally certified, you will get these students from all you will get this student only from India. So it means what, you have started a tuition center at your home and you start teaching students from your nearby, and also you are getting students from all over the India and even from the out of world also, out of India also. So means what, it has increased the approach of your tuition center. Yes. So what will happen, means suppose you are teaching at your home and you just have the students from your neighbors. You are earning means suppose you have 20 students, 25 students, you are charging 1,000 rupees charging 1,000 rupees per student. So what, you are earning 25,000, and plus you are getting students from all over the India and even out of the India. So the Indian students, you are again charging 1,000 rupees. First 20 students from your neighbors and 20 students you got from the India, plus 20 students you got from the out of India. So if you are charging 1,000 rupees to an Indian student, so what you will charge to an international student? When you start teaching an international student, you need to do more hard work, so you will charge more. So means if you are charging 1,000 rupees for an Indian student, you will charge 1,500 rupees for a international students. So means what, it will increase your earning. This is the way you earn with the QMath. Means it will provide you I cannot say it will directly provide you student, it will give you opportunity to convert a student as your student. Means what, it is not providing you student directly, like this is your student, start teaching it, giving him classes and I will pay you. No, this is not the way you can earn with the QMath. but it is providing you student with a demo, that it is a student from international market, it is a student from Tamil Nadu, it is a student from Karnataka. You get demo from your nearby students. You have to take the demos, and if they want to enroll without demo, that is very good. But if they want to take the demos, you can give them demo, but you will not get any money for those demos, because those students directly approaches you, and if they can want to enroll with you, you will get more benefits, because it is your organic enrollments. But when QMath is providing you with students for demos, then it is paying you for demos also. If they want to enroll, that is very good, you will get more incentives. But if they don't want to enroll, you will get the payment for your one day demo. So this is the difference. So you can means experience, like so if your communication skills, your teaching skills are very nice, means you can teach wonderfully, you can communicate wonderfully, so of course you can earn 20k, not even 20k, you can earn 40k plus per month. So in short, you can say it is totally your skill. It is your skill, your hard work. If you want to work, you can work, you can earn. Means it not depends on the company, that you start working and you said, oh, it's a worst company, you can earn, they are claiming that you can earn 20k plus, but you cannot earn. You can earn, but with your skill, not totally depend on the company. The company is only providing you with a platform, and I think it is only the thing a company can provide you, because you cannot earn until you have a skill and you are not ready to do the hard work. So it is totally your hard work, and your skill depends on your skills and your hard work, that you can earn 20k plus per month. So I cannot say the percentage of people's earning 20k plus per month, because I do means QMath is a teacher club which has, I think, 50,000 plus teacher, and I don't comment on this how much these 50,000 teachers is earning, but I think maximum of them is earning, or not only 50,000 of 20k, or not only 20k, they are earning around 50k plus, because this is just the basic thing. Means you take the demo, you take the enrollments, this is the only one part of the work. Except these things, you get so many other works to do. After some time, when you become an experienced teacher, you get other incentives also, like number of organic enrollments in a month, so you get plus incentives. And means as except then, as a teacher, you can also work with other teams also, like management team, working committee, and other things. Work as a team manager, work as a mentor, so you get payments for everything. So you can imagine, means so many sources of earning with the QMath. So you can imagine, it is very easy to earn 20k plus per month, but you have to do the work. So I think I have explained, I have cleared all the points. Still, if you have the doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.